Yo, what's up? Là Thầy Nam đây, and it's good to see you guys again in another video from the IELTS Workshop. Hôm nay mình sẽ cùng các bạn khám phá chủ đề bike trong phần the IELTS Speaking Part 1 nhé. Let's begin our quest. Do you ride a bike when you were little? Man, let me tell you, I cycled a lot when I was young, especially in middle school. I reckon that I started learning how to ride during my elementary school, and I was thrilled to finally master it without the training wheels. Filled with excitement, I used to wander around the city on a bicycle after school almost every afternoon. Are bikes popular in your country? It is, without a doubt, one of Vietnamese's main means of transport. People in my country use bicycles for their daily commute because they are quite convenient and help avoid traffic jams. Recently, cycling has also gained popularity here as a healthy and eco-friendly way to get around. And if you reside in Hanoi, chances are you will easily come across people biking downtown or around Westlake. Do you often ride a bike now? I don't ride the bicycle as much as I used to, but I still maintain my cycling streak when I have free time or when the weather is fair. I think it's a great way to exercise and get some fresh air, you know. Sometimes I also use it as a form of escape on weekends when I want to avoid the bustling city. Do you have a bike now? Yes, I do. I still have one tucked away in my garage. It's a black mountain bike that I bought a while back. And although I don't ride it daily, I still do take it out for a spin sometimes when the mood takes me, especially when I want to discover new areas around the city. Did you have a bike when you were young? Like, who doesn't? Talking about my first bike, my parents bought me one as a birthday present for my cycling practice. And I gotta say, it was a proud possession of mine back then. It was a small red tricycle with Lightning McQueen's logos on both sides of the frame. I had tons of fond memories of riding it during my childhood before moving on to a bigger white bicycle later on. Vậy là hết video ngày hôm nay rồi các bạn ơi. Nếu các bạn cảm thấy những samples mình vừa cung cấp hữu ích thì đừng quên subscribe để không bỏ lỡ những nội dung mới nhất của The IELTS Workshop. Once again, my name is Nam, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. See you later.